Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, thanks for watching. In this video you will learn how to make easy shirt pattern. So enjoy and watch full tutorial. Like, share, comment, subscribe, click the icon button for next video. So let's get started. Make paper board, double fold for the getting center back line. First I here draw shoulder line. This shoulder line, and I make neckline, back neck with neck is 15.5 inch divided by 6, we get 2.58 plus 38. 2.58 and plus 38. Here I make back neck deep, neck opening 15.5 inch divided by 8, get 1 3/4 inch. Here I drawing back neck carving shape. Now I here make shoulder. Shoulder is 18 inch divided by 2, 9 inch. Here I make armhole and chest line. Armhole deep and chest line. Our chest is 38 divided by 4. We get 9.5 inch. This chest and armhole line. Here I make chest. Chest is 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch. And I added 5 inch loose. 5 inch divided by 4, 1.25 inch. I added for loose. And make back cross back armhole line. Here I take half inch extra inside. Now here I make waist position 16.5 inch. This is waist position line. Here I make sharp length 28 inch. Here I make waist is 36 divided by 9. We get 9 inch. And here added 1.25 for waistline losing. Here I make it If is 40 inch divided by 4, 10 inch. Here also I added 1 1/4 for loose. Here 2 inch up mark for Chinese shape. Here I make short side seam side. Before cutting, I needed added seam margin, both side 3/8 and bottom 3/4 inch. Here I mark for 3 inch back in height. I added 3/8 seam margin. Here I added 3/4 seam margin for bottom hemming, 3/4 inch, 2 centimeters. Here 1.5 inch down for front line, front neckline, front shoulder line. Now 2 inch, 2 1/4 inch for neck drop, front neck round line, front neck round line. Now cutting back part. Then after back part cutting, then cutting front part. Back part cutting finish. Now here I make front cut based on back. Here I drawing same as the back part making before I make back part. This also one line. Wrong neck line. Wrong chest and armhole decline. Front waistline. Front armhole line. Here I take half inch extra from inside front armhole. Front armhole line. Here I added 1¼ inch for button standing line. Here I added 3/8 seam margin and center front bracket area and button standing line area. Seam margin. And here 3/8 seam margin added at neck line area. Here also 3/8 seam margin added at shoulder front shoulder line area. Right through 3/4 seam margin in front part bottom area. Create seam margin at front side seam area. Here drawing 3/8 seam allowance at side seam arm mount shoulder before I draw it. Green line drawing. Start front part cutting. Front pattern cutting. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Here I cut for breaking. Here added 3/8 seam margin and backing. Back raw part and back you. Front part. Part 2. Now I make slip. I make paper coat. So first I draw a line for sleeve head. I started slip making from sleeve head. First I make slip length 9 inch. Slip length 9 inch. Here I draw a line for slip top opening. Inch divided by 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch, 1.5 inch less, 3 inch. 3 inch slip cap height down. This sleeve headline and sleeve cap height and bicep point sleeve opening. Sleeve opening is 15 inch divided by 2. You get 7.5 inch. After I make half sleeve, eight and a half inch sleeve bicep width. There I draw a line for sleeve head, 4.5 inch. Here I draw sleeve inching line, 1 inch, 3/4 inch. I added extra for sleeve hem. The back sleeve and front sleeve. Sleeve drawing finished. Here I added 3/8 seam margin both side of sleeve. Now I cut sleeve. Here I give a cut mark for front side and I give center sleeve cut mark. And here I give 2 cut mark for back line. Here I give cut mark for sleeve hemming like part and back U and ceiling.